Hey guys, what's going on? It's James Gigadall. Hey, it was a pretty good day today, except for one thing. I was coming home from Alberta, Canada to BC, Canada, and I was going through the ice fields, which is the area between Jasper and Banff National Parks. I drove 2 hours to get there because it's a shortcut on the way home, and it's a beautiful scenic route. And I guess I didn't check the traffic and the weather reports properly because when I got to the park, the road to Banff was clear. The road to Jasper was closed due to avalanche, so it added 4 hours onto my road trip today. So instead of driving 12 hours, I called her quits after 8 with the kids in the truck. It was time to check into a hotel and just relax. And lo and behold, crypto had a pretty good day. Crypto had a great day. And I'm pretty happy about one coin in particular. People hate it. Some people love it. Some people are diehards for it. You know what it is. 50% gain today. Our boy Tron TRX. Up and away. The thing is still only 5 cents, guys, but you're still up 50%. Sometimes it makes sense to buy the dip, especially on these coins that have massive supply, right? Because it's just easy to drop, however much you want on there. And you just know that sometimes these coins get a sweet boost, and you get a 50% boost on a G note while there's 500 bucks in your pocket, right? So I'm still holding Tron. It needs to go up to 30 cents before I sell. Like I said before, I got in at half a penny, so I got in half penny. I got in at 4 cents. I bought more at 6 cents. Went up to 30 cents, didn't sell. Dropped down, bought more at 12 cents, and then I bought more again at like 6 cents. So I'm probably not going to buy any more Tron unless it drops again hard, just because I'm up no matter what right now. Because when it was 12 cents, I didn't buy, like I didn't spend more than I did earlier on, right? But it's coin I'm going to keep my eye on. Got to do a little bit more looking into the coin burn they got planned. I don't know when that's going to happen. But these guys consistently keep adding to their team, adding to their announcements. A lot of announcements coming out from their founder, Justin. But you know what? I think that these guys have enough gumption to get the job done and make this thing successful. So, I don't know, guys. If you're into Tron, or you hate Tron, you love Tron, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about Tron a little bit. And let's just see where this goes, because I do have a feeling that, we're still not out of the woods, not by any means, although we're seeing a lot of double-digit gains today. Look at all the green. Okay? We're seeing a nice day in the cryptoverse. We're up over 400 billion market cap. I mean, guys, we might be looking, eCoin up 49%. We might be looking back at the end of the year, September-ish, November-ish, and just saying, holy cow, why did I not get into crypto, or why did I not really invest in crypto hard in January and February when things were so cheap? Now, we may say that. That's what I'd like to hope. Or we might be like, holy cow, why didn't I get out of this thing? But I'm a believer in it because it has potential. It's proven. It's been around long enough now that all these things are going to have growing pains. And I think that 2018 is going to probably surpass 2017. And of course, that's just my opinion. And I hope it does because I'm new to this still. I got in like very end of September, November of 2017. So guys, like, I am not a professional trader. I've read a few white papers, a few roadmaps, looked into a few coins, but I'm a pastor and I'm a nurse that likes crypto. So take it for what it's worth. I'm looking at Tron. Tron's one of my biggest bags, to be honest with you guys, and it has been from early on. And now I'm into Dragon Chain quite a bit. I'm into Electronium quite a bit. I'm into Deep Onion. Few others for kind of the riskier coins. I know those aren't probably A+ coins, not like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. I like Litecoin. Stratus, I think, has huge potential. Sia coin, I've got a bit of that, and it's up now 24%. We'll see what happens with that, with the mining that's going on. But yeah, so I'm hoping Tron goes up because I would like to get a nice profit out of Tron. And then maybe 80% of that, once I take profits, probably into Bitcoin, and then the rest maybe into some higher risk things. You know, I find Cryptopia is full of high risk coins, also good coins, right? But you know, like I like Oyster Pearl, I like Utrust, I like what do we got here? Man, Ardor I don't think's that bad. A lot of these guys, I mean, the top 50, the top 100, they got huge potential, good team. Ethos, I regret not getting into that when it hit the $2 mark. I think this is going to be huge. Only 75 million in circulation here, right? It's going to be a lending platform like Coinbase and maybe better than Coinbase. So let me know what you guys think about the markets, this turnaround. Is it here to stay, or are we just seeing a quick uptick with all this green, and then is it going to go down again? 444 billion. 24-hour volume was 25 billion. So let's see what happens, guys. Anyways, safe trading. Thanks for being my subscriber. Like, leave a comment, and we'll catch you soon. Bye.